Hi, how are you, dear student? Once again, we are in our organic chapter Hello Alkane, Hello Erin. In the last lecture, we discussed about substitution, nucleophilic reaction. In the haloalkane, halogen with carbon, it is called haloalkane. This is our bond is polar, carbon chlorine. This is our nucleus. Any negative ion which has donating nature of electron. A carbon positive charge of nucleus. Understood? Very important lecture, this one. OH is a nucleophile. Nucleus वडे attracted or nucleus. The nucleophile. Chlorine removes from there and OH combines here. So removal of chlorine, which is called substitution. The chlorine remove થાય OH આવી જાય. તો એના બે mechanisms છે. There are two mechanisms for it. Yes, we are going very important lecture. Watch full video. Otherwise, it should be beneficial. Very most IMP lecture. Understood? Title. So there are two mechanisms. One by one, we are going to discuss substitution nucleophilic bimolecular. Substitution nucleophilic bimolecular in salt SN2 means order of reaction here is 2. Yes. So E. Two mechanisms SN2 and SN1. The reaction between methyl chloride Ca3Cl and hydroxide ion yield methanol and chloride ion. Follows a second order reaction. Here we are using chemical kinetic chapter here. Second order reaction. Second order reaction kinetics. Here rate depends upon the concentration of both reactants. Yes. Means chloromethane is reacting with OH minus. So chlorine is replaced by OH. The chlorine remove થાય, OH enter થાય. So methyl alcohol and it gives chloride. Understood? I will speak in both language, so don't worry. Here chlorine removes and OH is added. So here rate of reaction equal to K, methyl chloride and OH minus. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So both reactant, substrate and nucleophile. So reaction order is 2. Here in 3 dimension, carbon is combined with chlorine. Here is hydrogen. Dotted line indicates behind of the paper. Wedges, dark wedges indicates ahead of the paper. Simple line indicates on the paper. Here OH minus is attacking on this carbon. This is our nucleophile. Attacks on the carbon atom. So what happens actually? CH, H, here is chloride, here is OH. Here chlorine is not removed yet, OH is entering. So this is called a transition state, not intermediate, transition. Here starting of bond breaking and starting of bond forming occurs at a time. આ બોન્ડ ટોટલી બ્રેક નથી, આ બન્યો નથી. આ તૂટવાની શરૂઆત થાય, આ બનવાની શરૂઆત થાય છે. So now when chlorine is totally removed, so 3 hydrogen is arranged like this. Inversion occurs. It gives that process is called inversion. In standard 11 we discussed about it. First, in this type of reaction both is necessary. Both are necessary. Here we are going to discuss, you can see in CH3 in the CH3Cl OH group is attacking over there. Yes, you can see this is our CH3Cl. Black color sphere is carbon. This one chlorine. Chlorine and hydrogen both are on same plane. Dark edges means side of the paper, you can see. Dotted line indicates behind the paper. So this is CH3Cl. Here OH group is attacking there. OH is coming there. So now in the transition state, OH group O and H, OH here attacks on carbon. So in this stage is called transition state. Here chlorine is totally not removed and OH is not totally entered. The OH completely enter નથી. આ બોન્ડ છે એ બ્રેકિંગ ની શરૂઆત છે અને આની એન્ટરિંગ ની શરૂઆત છે. એટલે શું થાય? આ બોન્ડ વીક થતો જાય એટલે રિમૂવ થશે. Then OH is entering there. Totally bond forms, but due to repulsion between 3 hydrogen and OH group, side will be change of this CH3, and that is called inversion. So you can see here inversion occurs. CH3 was this side. Now side is changed. Configuration, it is called arrangement is called configuration is totally changed here. You can see. So this reaction occurs in only one step, but this reaction depends on both concentration of methyl chloride and of OH. So that is the SN2. Yes, in our book this type of model is given: oxygen and hydrogen, carbon with chlorine and 3 hydrogen. OH group is attacking here. In transition state, carbon with 3 hydrogen. One side is the chloride, another side is the OH group attacking. this bond and this is not real. This is the starting of breaking, this is the forming. So now after that side will be changed of the CH3 due to repulsion of OH group and removal of Cl minus by model. This type of structure is given in a book. Understood? Now come to the next point. In the year 1937, yes, in the year 1937, in the year 1937, scientist Edward and Christopher scientist Christopher and Edward Christopher Ingold proposed a mechanism for an SN2 reaction. Understood the mechanism? It depends SN2 reaction. It depicts a bimolecular nucleophilic displacement reaction. It depicts this reaction. Depicts a bimolecular. Bimolecular means here two molecules are collides with each other. Bimolecular nucleophilic displacement એટલે ક્લોરીન રિમૂવ થાય OH એન્ટર થાય ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ આ પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ કાર્બન ઉપર OH એટેક કરે એટલે ટુ મોલેક્યુલ્સ કમ્બાઈન થઈ અને ન્યુક્લિયસ ઉપર OH એટેક કરે ક્લોરીન રિમૂવ થાય એટલે બાયમોલેક્યુલર ન્યુક્લિયોફિલિક ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ SN2 reaction. This is SN2 reaction. The incoming nucleophile interact with the incoming nucleophile means OH minus interact with alkyl halide. This is our alkyl halide. Interact with the alkyl halide, causing the carbon halide bond to break. Causing the carbon halide bond break. Entering OH group breaks the bond between carbon and chlorine. These two processes take place simultaneously. This process, two process, not one, two process. Which two? Breaking of the bond and formation of the bond. These two process take place simultaneously. Simultaneously means at a time. Simultaneously in a single step. Simultaneously in a single step. In a single step. Only in one step. Only in one step. And no intermediate is formed. And no intermediate form. The non-intermediate forms here. Yes. As the reaction progresses and the bond between the nucleophile and carbon atom starts forming, and bond between carbon and leaving group weakens. Here in this stage, bond between carbon and OH forms, and bond between carbon halogen will be breaks at a time. આ બોન્ડ છે એનું ફોર્મેશન સ્ટાર્ટ થાય, આ બોન્ડ છે બ્રેકિંગ સ્ટાર્ટ થાય, will be breaks. Yes, as this happens, the configuration of carbon atom under attack inverts in much the same way as an umbrella turned inside out. Yes, it's look like an umbrella. Everybody knows about umbrella. આપણે એને કઈ છત્રી કાગળો થઈ ગયો. This was arrangement like this, and this arrangement is you can see change here. So when it became like this, our umbrella, છત્રી કાગળો થઈ જાય. That is called inversion. Inversion occurs. The configuration of carbon atom under the attack in the much the same way umbrella. It turns inside out and strong wind while the leaving group is pushed away. The process is called the inversion of configuration. This process direction, this configuration is changed. OH group is attacking here. So side of the CH3 groups is changed. This process is called inversion. Yes, it is called inversion of configuration. Configuration means arrangement. Configuration in the transition state. The carbon atom, this is in the transition state, carbon is attached with 5 atoms, so it is a highly unstable stage. Why? Carbon never forms 5 bond. Here you can see 5 bond, which is highly unstable. So at a time it gives, we can't separate this stage. Highly unstable. This is a process. Actually one step occurs. OH is entering, chlorine is removing. OH is entering, chlorine is removing. Both at a time occurs. બે એકી સાથે થાય. OH totally entered, chlorine removed. So in one step occurs. This is not intermediate but transition process. It occurs in one step. Here due to repulsion, OH and CH3 side will be changed like an umbrella. OH is entering and CH3 moves due to repulsion. That is called the inversion. Understood? Now leaving group which is replaced by OH, which is called the leaving group. Cannot be. This is because carbon atom transition state bonded 5 atom, therefore unstable. Here reaction requires the approach of the nucleophile to the carbon bearing the leaving group. In the bulky situation, yes, we are going another example of it. This is very simple example. This is very simple example of SN2 reaction. Now, since this reaction required the approach of the nucleophile to the carbon-bearing leaving group, the presence of bulky substituents on near carbon atom had dramatically effect of the simple alkali halide. Methyl halide more rapidly gives SN2. In the methyl halide, it gives methyl halide gives rapid SN2 reaction because coming OH group has the less resistance. Right? Hydrogen is very small in size. So which compound gives the fastest SN2 reaction? Methyl halide. With increasing in bulky group, yes, when we take ethyl halide, CH3CH2X, ethyl halide, you can see this is bulky. અહીં બંચ છે એટલે શું થાય રેઝિસ્ટન્સ વધી જાય એટલે OH ગ્રુપ જે કમિંગ છે એનો રેઝિસ્ટન્સ વધી જાય અહીં રિપલ્શન વધી જાય એટલે SN2 એનું લેસ થઈ જાય એટલે મિથાઇલ હેલાઇડ કરતા પ્રાઇમરી alkyl halide gives a slow SN2 reaction due to bulky nature. Like OH સાથે repulsion થાય. એક ત્રણ small hydrogen છે. OH easily attack થઈ જાય. OH easily attacks over the carbon. So methyl halide gives fastest SN2 reaction. But bulky nature of methyl, why this one primary? Halogen containing carbon is attached with one, so primary. What about secondary? Suppose we are taking here two methyl group. These are more bulky. You can see. It means behind of the paper. Here two methyl groups, 1 and 2. So you can see the resistance is more here. For coming OH group, maximum repulsion. And now in the case of tertiary, this is secondary, right? Halogen containing carbon is attached with another two. The secondary alkyl halide gives a very slow reaction. And now what about tertiary? Halogen containing carbon is attached with another three. So there are three bulky groups which repulse maximum to the coming OH minus group. So this one is tertiary. Why? Halogen वालों carbon is attached with another three carbon atoms. Halogen containing carbon. Here in your book, speed of reaction is given 30 times more than primary. Methyl halide gives 30 times more speed than primary alkyl halide. Speed is 1, so 30 times more. Now in the secondary alkyl halide, speed of SN2 reaction is 0.02. Now in the tertiary, which is zero speed of SN2 reaction. Yes, SN2 reaction speed is 0. In tertiary, the halogen containing carbon is attached with another three. Tertiary speed is 0. And 0 એના કરતા 0.02 times more, એના કરતા 1 time more, એના કરતા 30 time more. This is speed of SN2. So store in your mind, which compound gives SN2 reaction faster? Halogen containing carbon has a bulky nature less. It should be methyl halide fastest. Then slower in primary, then slower in secondary, and very slow in tertiary alkyl halide. Understood? Now two mechanisms in our syllabus. One is over here. Now in this reaction, once again, SN2 reaction means it occurs in one step. Order of reaction is 2. Here write equal to K, nucleophile and substrate. Means in the case of methyl chloride and OH minus, both is needed to do this reaction. So order of reaction is 2, so SN2. In this step, two molecules are colloids with each other. So molecularity is 2, order of reaction is 2, and molecularity is 2. Now substitution nucleophilic unimolecular. Uni means one. Unimolecular means SN1. Now B, second mechanism, most time P. SN1 reaction, 1 means order of reaction is 1. SN1 reactions are generally carried out in polar solvent, polar protic solvents. Polar protic. Polar means like water. Hydrogen is partially positive, oxygen partially negative. Polar solvent like water. Then alcohol H plus, so which is protic. In water H plus present, in acetic acid CH3COOH plus H plus is there, so which is called a polar protic solvent. Example of SN1, tertiary butyl bromide and OH minus ion. Hydroxide ion, yield tertiary butyl alcohol. This is also substitution. Bromine removes and OH enters. Follows the first order kinetics. It means first order reactions, first order kinetics. The rate of the reaction, depends upon the concentration of only one reactant. Which is tertiary butyl bromide. So I am giving you example. When we take in your book CH3 thrice CBr, tertiary butyl bromide is reacting with the hydroxide ion. So here it gives a tertiary butyl alcohol and bromide ion removes from that. Yes, tertiary butyl alcohol. Actually, here is bromine. Here is 3-methyl group. Bromine containing carbon attached with 3. So tertiary butyl bromide. Here attack occurs of OH. So here OH will be replaced by OH, bromide replaced. So this is leaving group. So remove the leaving group. OH enters tertiary butyl bromide, tertiary butyl alcohol. It occurs in 2 steps. Yes. This reaction occurs in 2 steps. This reaction occurs in 2 steps. Yes, 2 steps. In step 1, the polarized carbon bromine bond undergo slow cleavage. In step number 1, the polarized means carbon is partially positive, bromine is negative. So polarized carbon bromine bond undergoes slow cleavage. Cleavage means breaking. Slowly breaks bond between carbon bromine to produce a carbocation and bromide ions. Bromide ion. Yes. Here. The carbocation thus formed, first of all, in CH3, CH3Br in first step, which is a slower one, which is a reversible and slower one. So gives a tertiary carbocation. Yes, this is tertiary. And removal of bromide ion. Here is the hybridization sp3. But here one orbital is vacant of carbon. So here is sp2. So all the carbons are on same plane. This one is tetrahedral due to sp3. This one is now planar. Slower one step. The carbocation thus formed is then attacked by nucleophile in step 2, complete the substitution reaction. In step 2, carbocation formed is combined with OH minus and substitution completes. Okay. Here occurred carbocation very fast combines with OH minus. This is second step. શું હતું? બ્રોમિન હેલોજન હતો અને OH એન્ટર થતો હતો. એટલે એક જ સ્ટેપમાં થાય. અહીંયા પહેલા હેલોજન રિમૂવ થઈ જાય ટોટલ. પછી OH એન્ટર થાય. શું હતો? હેલોજન હતો. In the SN2, halogen is present and OH is entering. Here, totally halogen is removed, then after OH is coming. Understood? So, it gives CH3OH. Yes. So, tertiary butyl alcohol occurs. Second step is the fast. I am using concept of chemical kinetics, chapter number 4. Whenever reaction occurs in two steps, slower one is the rate determinating. Rate determinating step. So in slower one step, there is only one molecule is taking part. So rate of reaction here depends upon only concentration of tertiary butyl bromide. So this is first order reaction and only one molecule is taking part in reaction. So unimolecular reaction. Understood? Second step is faster. So faster step is not rate determinating. Here reaction occurs in two steps. Here reaction occurs in two steps. Understood? So first one is a slower, rate determinating. In a slower step, only one reactant is taking part. Step 1 is the slowest and reversible. Slowest and reversible. It involves the carbon bromine bond between carbon bromine bond breaking. Understood? For which the energy is obtained through solvation of halide ions with the proton or protic solute, not solute, solvent. Yes, water is solvent, not solute. Protic solvent. Since the rate of reaction depends upon the slower step, since the rate of reaction depends upon the slowest step, slower one. And here the rate of the reaction depends only on the alkyl halides concentration. Alkyl halides concentration. Yes, sir. Not on concentration of hydroxide ion. Further, understood? So we discussed. So rate equal to K tertiary butyl bromide raised to 1. Rate is not depending upon OH minus on first step. So this is first order reaction. Yes. Greater the stability of carbocation, greater will be the easiness of formation from alkyl halide and faster will be the rate of reaction. Yes. Here stability of carbocation in SN1 is must. Stability of carbocation is high, so it gives AZ SN1 reaction. Yes, sir. So tertiary alkyl halide. Yes, one by one. Tertiary alkyl halide gives the fastest SN1. Why? Here you can see carbon is attached with halogen. Halogen containing carbon is tertiary. Why? Which connected with 3 carbons. So after removal of bromine, it will be tertiary carbocation. Positive charge carbon, 2 electrons is removed with bromine, leaving group. So it became carbon positive. Here 3 methyl group, donating nature, methyl donating nature. So this positive charge will be spread over 4 carbon. So stability is maximum of tertiary. So in the case of tertiary alkyl halide gives SN1 faster. In the case of secondary, there are 2 alkyl groups. Bromine containing carbon attached with 2, so secondary. So after removal of bromide ion, it should be secondary carbocation. Positive charge carbon attached with 2. Here 2 methyl group donates here 3. So here positive charge spread on 3 carbon. So less stability of carbocation. So SN1 gives us lower than tertiary. What about primary? In this case, after removal of bromide, it should be secondary, no, primary carbocation. Positive charge carbon is attached with only 1 methyl group is donor. Here positive charge spread over 2 carbon atom, so stability is less. So this one gives less easily SN1. Now methyl carbocation. After removal of bromide, it is only carbocation, not primary, only carbocation. Here is hydrogen. Hydrogen is not donor or acceptor. So very slow gives a methyl carbocation. Yes. So now order. So which one gives SN1 fast and which one gives SN2 fast? Bulky. Now to remember, I am giving you trick. Methyl halide. Then after primary alkyl halide, halogen containing carbon બીજા એક સાથે જોડાય primary. This one only methyl halide. Halogen containing carbon is attached with another 2 secondary carbocation. Halogen containing carbon is attached with another 3, so tertiary carbocation. So you can see we discussed from methyl to primary, primary to secondary, secondary to tertiary. In the SN1 we have to check our stability of carbocation. Methyl carbocation करता primary, primary करता secondary, secondary करता tertiary more stable. Whenever carbocation more stable, so reaction gives fast SN1. In the SN2, which is inverse of it. SN2 means reaction occurs in one time, one step. So here is bulky nature. Whenever bulkiness is maximum over carbon, so it not giving SN2 reaction. Whenever bulkiness decreases, so it gives SN2 fast. Understood? So this order. tertiary alkyl halide gives a maximum, rapidly, very fast SN2, and methyl halide gives the fastest SN2 reaction. Understood? More example we will discuss in our next lecture. Till then, bye. Take care.